Social media can help you get more mileage out of pretty much any marketing initiative you employ for your e-commerce brand. Around here, we like to call social media a catalyst to help other marketing initiatives be more effective. So, what does this look like for an e-commerce company? What if your product was promoted on an influencer's blog and social media profiles? You would run ads to promote that even further. That would be the social media catalyst part of it. Do you ever sell products locally through a brick and mortar store? Some of our e-commerce clients do that. They partner with local brick and mortar companies to sell their products. So you run a buy local campaign, and maybe you co-host an event at the brick and mortar. And then during that event, you do Instagram stories about how great the event is. That's an example of using social media as a catalyst to help expand other marketing initiatives. Another great example is if your e-commerce company has a backstory that includes a cause like cancer awareness or sustainability and using environmentally friendly products. You can find groups on Facebook that talk about that, and that's what their focus is, the cause. But then you can also let them know that your products support that, and thereby indirectly basically promoting your product just based on the story that you have. And then finally, here's one more example. If your product has been featured on a podcast or on a video, or even if it's been featured in traditional press like print and TV, you're going to want to create some type of advertising campaign around that so that when that content comes out on that other medium, that you can then promote it on your social media channels. So here's the thing that's a little bit different about social media for e-commerce companies. Now, every other client we have that's not an e-commerce company, I would never ever say this to, but for e-com, social media can be a standalone marketing channel. It can exist on its own, but that doesn't mean that it has to. In fact, you're going to get a lot more traction out of any other marketing you do if you use social media to make that a catalyst for that marketing initiative. One of the reasons you do this is it helps your content have a wider breadth. You'll have more topic matters and you'll have a bigger reach if you use social media as a catalyst to promote other types of content that you're earning or buying. And it can also help expand your customer audience. It can expand your customer base and your target audience base. It helps those e-coms kind of reach beyond social. It almost helps them get a reach offline, which is something that you don't traditionally think of for e-coms, but it is important for even e-coms to get an offline reach as well. To put it another way, social media is kind of like the jet fuel for the marketing engine. So it can help you, take any other marketing initiatives and make them work better, go further, and get there faster, if you think about it that way. So if you're interested in learning more, I'd be happy to talk with you about how we could potentially help you use social media as a catalyst to promote other marketing initiatives that you have going on. We even help our clients kind of find those other marketing initiatives and then use social media as a catalyst to promote them even further. So reach out if you like this video, subscribe, give us a like, share it with your friends, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.